I get this question all the time. How do I make returns for my Roman shades? And it's quite easy. See this? I staple the male part of the Velcro on my board, just about 1.5 inches in, and totally covering the return. And I apply my lovely iron-on do-fix tape, and I have just a really simple tape, double stick tape, so that when after I apply my return, and I make my return with buckram, so they're really stiff and they really cover everything that is underneath. This particular Roman shade is a hobble shade, so I want to make sure that my first pleat is almost all covered. Not quite, but almost covered, okay? So I will remove the double stick tape, attach it to the face of your shade, and look how wonderful that looks. That looks really, really pretty, to make sure that your return is nice and straight, and it just looks, it looks wonderful. So I'm going to show you now how I make my returns for this. So this is Marisela again.
Hi.
And she will be showing you how I make my returns. And we use buckram for because the buckram seems to be, it just folds really, really great, okay? So depending upon the length of the buckram or the length of the return that you want, that's how long you're going to be cutting it. So I iron on the buckram to the face fabric. And it's just with a little bit of stitch witchery. I place it in the center of the face fabric and just fold the edges, the outside edges. I tend to fold the back fold a little bit, just a tiny bit smaller than the face. As you can see here, you see? Just a tiny bit. Again, put 2 pieces of the stitch witchery to adhere the back flap to the front, and iron. I like to cut, I bend the back to be at the same height as the buckram, and I will cut that area. And I know that there is so many ways to get to Rome, but this is the way that I have found to be the shortest way to get there. So I just fold it over the buckram. If the fabric is really, really bulky, you may want to cut the inside corners. If the fabric is really bulky, I've never had any problems. But if you do, if you come across that time where you feel like you have a lot of fabric in the very top of your buckram, you may want to just cut it off. At this point, I will take the iron-on Velcro from do-fix and adhere it to the back of the buckram, or the back of my return. I like to use this Velcro pressing protector so that we don't damage the Velcro fibers with the iron. At this point, we are going to measure our return. In this scenario right now, is 2.5 inches. So we fold back the remainder. The 2.5 is towards the front, the remainder we iron to create that crease and that really sharp edge. At this point, we apply the double stick tape. And here it is. We have our Velcro return. So I'm going to remove this one. I will have to replace my little double stick tape. We apply this. Remove the double face tape. Adhere it to the front of the shade. And look how beautiful it is.